Yo, what's going on, traders? I hope you're all having a great time. It's Rafael back at the charts again, and in today's video I'm going to talk about today's trades. I've shared some of the trades in the free Telegram channel, so if you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, make sure to check the link in the description, join the free channel. Sometimes I'm sharing my trading ideas in there for gold, euro, US dollars, sometimes even Dow Jones, but I'm more or less the gold guy. Most of you know that. Yeah, today I took a couple of trades on gold. Today I was able to make 47,400. For the week I'm up around 227,000, and for the month I'm up around 570,000. And for the last 4 months I'm up nearly $2 million, guys, for the last 4 months. And my account is on 7.1 million right now. Yeah, I already withdrew some of the money, some of the profits. So yeah, but anyways, let's talk about the trades that I took today, why I took them. All right, so let's get straight into it. I mean, here you can see all my entries, and now let's go over my thought process, guys. First of all, gold was pushing down last week pretty crazy. When I started to trade this morning during New York session, I was kind of like looking on a chart like this. You see that? So we had buy stops over here, buy limit orders or whatever. I mean nearly all the sellers who were moving their stop loss just above this high in here, I wanted to see them to get stopped out. You know, I want to see the market makers to grab these stops, trick some buyers into the market, and then continue with the down move. And this is what my idea was. First of all, let me start to explain the first trade first, guys. So we had this high over here where I expected some money sitting, right? So I was waiting for this money to get grabbed, because the market always searches for business, you know, and around highs and lows the market makes business, because there are buyers and sellers who are interested to exchange, to buy and to sell, right? So what is waiting above this high? Probably a lot of stop orders from sellers, right? And of course some buy orders for people who want to trade the breakout to the upside and buy gold. So I was waiting for this liquidity to get grabbed, right? And then I wanted to see a clear displacement. And I mean, we had this low in here, push through these highs. Then we had a nice break of structure in here on the lower time frame. And as soon as the market came back into this zone in here, I wanted to get in with a short. And as you can see, the market reacted pretty nice, but my target was a little bit lower than that, so I was not able to bank profits. So the market reversed and was not ready to drop yet. As you can see, it was fucking around a little bit, so I got in, was waiting, and grabbed some more liquidity, got another nice reaction. I was pretty sure that we were going to see a drop, guys, but then later on, yeah, we formed this double bottom, and I'm sure we are going to grab this double bottom tomorrow. I'm pretty sure. But anyways, this trade got stopped out, and then later on, I was pretty sure that we are going to hunt the high from Friday. I mean, this is more or less the next zone of liquidity where a lot of stop loss orders are sitting from sellers, plus of course some more buy orders from people who want to buy the breakout, right? So I waited for the market. I know I'm not really waited for the market to get there, but I was trying to trade into that thing, you know. So what I did on this one, I took this trade in here based off of the little bit lower time frame. As you can see, we had a strong move in here, and this is like an imbalance zone and fair value gap, and I waited for the market to get back into this fair value gap, and I traded a buy off of this one, and I was aiming for Friday's high. This was my target, and it got hit pretty easy. I was good loaded up. As soon as the market made this move, broke this structure, I was pulling my stop just below this one, and then I was loading it up on the way down. I was loading it up in this zone in here. I was loading it up like crazy, right at this thing through nearly 1,800, big figure number, and cashed out. And then after that, guys, I was interested in selling because we took out this liquidity in here. As you can see, we just grabbed it, and then the market clearly displaced, broke the structure again in here, and then it left behind this little gap. So I was waiting for the market to get back into this fair value gap, so I was taking a short off of this one in here, had my stop just above here, and then we had a nice reaction to the downside. But the market was more or less just ranging, guys, and I was targeting this double bottom in here because this is where probably the next liquidity pool is sitting, next sell side liquidity pool is sitting, and I'm sure we are going to hunt them pretty soon. I'm sure tomorrow or maybe tonight, I don't know. But yeah, I was selling in here, and when the market came back and was just consolidating, I decided to close this trade at around a break even, and then later on, when the market came back into this zone in here, in my initial entry zone, and I saw this reaction, I decided to take another trade in here, and then for the better entry another one, because I was still expecting that my thought was right. So I still wanted to get involved, and so I decided to take another one in here. I shared this entry with the inner circle, so I took one in here, and then later on I took another entry in here, stop above the high, and then as you can see, market gave us a nice reaction, went through this trend line in here, gave us a nice reaction, so I was able to close half of my position in here. And then later on the market came back. I was scaling in another positions in here, so I was scaling it up a little bit in here, and then I had my stop at around break even with 2 or 3 positions, and then market came back for another double bottom and slashed through the high from today. Overall, the day today was not that good. I took one loss, took one win, then one break even trade, one small win, and then another break even trade. So yeah, nothing to be super proud of, but at least we didn't make a loss, so it's nice. And yeah, I'm looking for another nice reaction inside of this zone. I want to see a clear displacement, a clear break of structure on the smaller time frames, and then I wait for the pullback to get in and ride this thing to the downside. If we get a nice reversal pattern, I will try to trade this to the downside. But if we are looking on the bigger picture, guys, we just took out this low in here, this significant low, and I'm not sure. It could probably get back into this area over here, reverse, and maybe we are going to see some bullish movement during this week. Let's see. So I will try to let the market tell me what it wants to tell me, and then yeah, ride the wave with the market, you know. This is how I'm always doing it. And yeah, if you need my help, guys, if you need my personal advice, you can always reach out to me on Telegram. I'm only using Telegram to chat with my students, so make sure to drop me a message in Telegram if you need my help. And yeah, let's get it, guys. I hope you all had a profitable start in the week as well. And let's see what we got for the upcoming week. I'm pretty hyped, and I'm sure we are going to catch some good movements on gold this week. And yeah, make some good money, guys. I wish you a nice evening, rest of the day, and maybe see you tomorrow, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and wish you all the best, guys. Stay healthy. Peace out.
Fly me to the moon. Okay. Bye.